Subhanallah walhamdulillah.
Let's now talk about positivity, the kind that turns effort into success.
Our next English speech, You Will Swim in Wealth, reminds us that true richness lies not in money but in faith, gratitude, and contentment.
When your heart is rich with faith, you are already wealthy beyond measure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my beloved brothers and sisters. In Islam, every single one of us is in search of sustenance. Some want more money, some want a better job, some want peace in their homes. But let me remind you, true wealth is not just in the numbers you see in your bank account. True wealth is when Allah places barakah in what you have. A person may have little, but with barakah, it feels more than enough. And another person may have millions, but without barakah, he feels restless, sleepless, and never satisfied. Today, I want to share something very special with you, a practice rooted in Quran and something that our scholars has reminded us about again and again. When you recite this Quranic verse 11 times after Fajr, not only Allah bless your wealth, but your children and grandchildren will swim in the barakah of that blessing. My brothers and sisters, Quran is just not a book we recite. When someone passes away, it's a book of life, whether it's our secrets to happiness, healing, success, and prosperity. Allah Himself tells in Quran that this is a blessed book which we have revealed to you, so that they may reflect upon its verses and people of understanding would be reminded. Surah 38:29. Do you see that? Quran is a book of blessing, but sadly, many of us treat it as a decoration on shelf, wrapped in cloth, open only in Ramadan, yet it holds treasure beyond imagination. My brothers and sisters, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people, even with very little income, seems content and peaceful? Others, despite having so much, are drowning in debt, stress, and sleepless night. The difference is simple. Barakah from Allah, and that barakah can be unlocked when we connect with His words. The words I will share with you today, if recited with sincerity just 11 times after Fajr, it has the power by Allah's permission to bring risk into your life and into the life of your children and grandchildren. Stay with me until the end. Not only I will reveal the words, but explain why it works and how it transforms your life. So let us begin this journey together. My beloved brothers and sisters, before I share these powerful words, let us remember something very important. Risk comes only from Allah. No boss, no company, no government controls your sustenance. Allah Himself says in Quran that there is no creature on earth except Allah is His provision. He knows His place of dwelling and storage. All is in a clear register. Surah Hud chapter 11 verse 6. This means your salary, your profit, even the food you eat today was written long before by Allah. Subhanallah. Now the words that many scholars highlight for unlocking wealth is found at Surah At-Tawbah 9:129. Hasbi Allahu la ilaha alayhi wa huwa tawakkaltu rabbul arshil azim. Allah is sufficient for me, and there is no God but Him. In Him I place my trust, and He is the Lord of mighty throne. When the Lord of mighty throne provides for you, who can withhold from you? Generational blessing. Scholars have mentioned when this verse is recited daily after Fajr, not only Allah bless your wealth, but it places barakah in your sustenance. There are countless stories of Muslims who lived by this verse. A poor man once said, I had nothing in my pocket, but I had this verse in my heart. And I kept on reciting it, and Allah brought me work, food, and peace that I have never thought possible. And another scholar narrates that a merchant would never start his day without reciting this verse. His business always thrived, while others struggled, not because he was smart, but because he placed his trust in Allah first. My beloved brothers and sisters, if you want to benefit after praying Fajr, sit quietly, close your eyes for a moment, and think, Allah is enough for me, and recite, Hasbi Allahu la ilaha huwa alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. And when you recite this Quranic words with full conviction and reliance upon Allah, it's like declaration to the world that I don't depend upon Allah. I depend only upon Allah. My brothers and sisters, don't just listen and hear. Make a decision and recite this verse 11 times after Fajr daily. Jazakallahu khair.